We get anchor next to the place where the plane is under the water, and it is right in the middle of view case. It's a beautiful place. No one is around. We are the only one who anchored here, and catamaran, but pretty far. And those caves are very beautiful with the beaches and trees, and it's a quiet place. And in a few minutes we are going to do snorkeling around the plane. It lays in shallow waters with a little part over a water, so it's gonna be easy for us.
I was happy in my harbor when you cut me loose, floating on an ocean and confused. Winds are whipping waves up like skyscrapers, and the harder they hit me, the less I seem to bruise. And when I find the controls, I'll go where I like, I'll know where I want to be. But maybe for now, I'll stay right here on a silent sea.
We took dinghy just to see things around, to go around islands and see them closer. And on our way back we mentioned a shallow water with some grass. That's normally where conchs are living, and this is what we got. Apparently in the Bahamas we will be eating only conchs, no fish, because there is no fish. We were not able to catch any. So we are gonna clean them now. That's a long process. Probably gonna take even longer than to catch them. And we're gonna make a pasta with the conch sauce.
2, 3, 4. Ooh, 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 ooh. Well, my heart knows it better than I know myself, so I'm gonna let it do all the talking. Ooh, ooh. I came across a place in the middle of nowhere with a big black horse and a cherry tree. Ooh, ooh. I felt a little fear upon my back. I said, don't look back, just keep on walking. Ooh, ooh. But the big black horse said, look this way. He said, hey, that day will you marry me? Ooh. But I said,
Let's try. This is our first catch by ourselves. Conch catch. Conch day. Go ahead.
Smell good.
Smells very good. Yep. Did you mention when you eat something what you caught yourself, it tastes better than anything else?
All the time it tastes better, a lot better. Yeah, just because, I don't know, you catch it, you eat it. It is
You prepare it yourself.
prepare yourself. It is a true life, it is a true nature, it is you catch just to eat.
Yeah, not to resell,
Not
but to
not
eat.
to sell, just you catch what you need just to eat.
So we're gonna enjoy it. Just little piece of sand, some grass, beautiful palm tree with a chair under, some rocks, and that's it, surrounded by beautiful turquoise water. Can I get Bahama Mama, please?
For sure. So you're ready to watch a sunset?
Yes, I have a place for you.
Ah, cool. Because that's the right direction.
Yeah. Few days after, we headed to Compass Cay. This is actually a private island, but we had to anchor by to get drinking water. This is a place where you can swim with sharks, ride a duck, and enjoy amazing sunset views.
How come you always never wanna use protection? How come you're floating like a helium balloon? Oh, I can't keep up. You're moving too fast. I got to know, is this gonna last? 'Cause I can't tell whether you're up or you're down. This whole situation is spilling me around. It's spilling me around. Spilling me around. How come you always end up changing your intentions? Yeah.
This morning it's a little bit choppy, especially at the inlet, like always. We got about 6 foot wave and about 20, 21, 22 knots wind. So by the route we have to do, I decide to go motor a little bit offshore to be able in one shot to go to our destination and sail. That's what we have now. I decided to put one reef because 20-21 knots. The boat is more straight like that. Boat force is less like that, and the crew too.
Yeah.
So we are good. We're underway. Normally, in one shot, we get our next destination under sail.
And how many knots we have?
Now it's 18 knots, 19 knots, and we go only about 5, almost 6 knots. So now we have a little bit complicated situation about the weather. We have a depression coming from Atlantic, and the website I really trust, it is NOAA. They are specialists in Miami. So it's coming here from Atlantic, and it will go west, then northwest on the Bahamas. The thing is, for now, it is not yet a tropical a storm or hurricane, but they said it could, at 50% chance, it could become bad around BVI's. BVI's, it is here, or Puerto Rico. So, and we are here where is a red arrow. So where we are not protected for hurricane. We cannot stay here definitively. So now we figure out to go here to this island in the Shop Cay, because we saw the marina. It is a floating dock and it is really inside the island, and I think it could be perfect protection. There is protection in Nassau, but so many boats over there. I think everyone will go to Nassau. So from where we are to Shop Cay, it is 120 miles, about that. So we need, let's say, about 24 hours to get over there. We are Monday today, and the fact is we cannot have more info by phone. I take that by on the 3G, because the system here on this island is down. So I found some info in a restaurant they have a TV by satellite, and I can have some info, but it is not like marine info like I wish to have. So hopefully they're gonna fix it today and take a last decision tomorrow, because we need time to get over there. Plus we need a lot of time to prepare the boat. We have to take off everything, the Bimini, the mainsail, the Genoa. We have to attach everything. It's gonna take long time. And solar panel I wish to protect too. It's turning bad. So it is exactly a difficult situation, because if we knew it's already bad, okay, no question, we go over there, and if over there it's not good, we can go to Bimini too. What it is another 80 miles. The fact is we don't know yet. For now, if it's still stay like that, we could stay around here, find a very good place to put anchor, like a sand to have anchor going inside. But if we wait too much and it's turning bad, we will not have time to reach this protected area. So we will try to get more info this evening. For now we go to fill up gas for the boat, diesel and water, because we need that. I want to have everything full. This morning we went to buy drinking water and canned food to be ready for a few days to survive. Hopefully nothing bad gonna happen. We will see.
Thank you for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give us thumbs up on both hands. Thank you all patrons for all your support. We really appreciate your help. If you want, you can also support our sailing adventure and become a patron on patreon.com. Next week, find out what decision we took to avoid coming right on us possible tropical storm.